In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import opening balances in Zoho Books step by step. If you're moving to Zoho Books from another accounting system, or you're setting up your books for the first time, importing your opening balances correctly is extremely important. Your opening balances represent the financial position of your business before you start recording new transactions in Zoho Books, so getting this right ensures your reports like the balance sheet and trial balance are accurate from day one. The good news is Zoho Books makes this process very straightforward using a simple spreadsheet import. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through where to find the opening balances section, how to upload your spreadsheet, how to select the correct settings, and how to map your fields so the data imports properly. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho Books tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right into it. First, log into your Zoho Books account and open the organization where you want to import the opening balances. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This is where most of the configuration options for Zoho Books are located. After clicking the gear icon, you will see many different settings related to taxes, users, preferences, and accounting options. From this menu, find and click on the option called Opening Balances. This section allows you to either manually enter opening balances or import them using a spreadsheet if you already have the data prepared. Using the import option is much faster when you are working with many accounts or migrating from another accounting system. Once the opening balances page opens, go to the top right corner and click on the button labeled Import Opening Balances. Zoho Books will now take you to the import screen where you can upload your spreadsheet file. Before continuing, make sure your opening balance data is already saved in a spreadsheet file, such as CSV or Excel format. This file should contain the accounts and their corresponding opening balances, so Zoho Books can read and import the information correctly. Now click the Choose File button on the screen and select the spreadsheet file from your computer. After selecting the file, you will see an option for character encoding. In most cases, the correct option to choose here is UTF-8, which is the standard encoding used for most spreadsheets and ensures that all characters are read properly by the system. After confirming the file and encoding settings, click the button to continue to the next step. Zoho Books will now display the field mapping screen. This step is very important because it tells Zoho Books which column in your spreadsheet corresponds to each field in the system. For example, you will map the account name column from your spreadsheet to the account name field in Zoho Books, and the balance column to the opening balance field. Carefully review each mapping and make sure the correct columns are selected. If the columns are mapped incorrectly, the import could fail or the balances may appear under the wrong accounts. Take a moment to double check everything before moving forward. Once the fields are mapped correctly, click the Import button to begin importing your opening balances. Zoho Books will process the file and upload the balances into your system. This usually takes only a few seconds depending on the size of your file. After the import is complete, you can review the results directly inside the Opening Balances section. It's a good idea to quickly verify that the balances match your previous accounting records or reports. If everything looks correct, your opening balances are now successfully set up and your Zoho Books account is ready for recording new financial transactions. And that's it. That's exactly how to import opening balances in Zoho Books quickly and correctly using a spreadsheet import. If this video helped you understand the process, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.